putting your house on the market for the sale.
But first, let's hit it. Hi, this is Alan Victoria. Welcome to our channel and podcast.
And if this is your first time in our podcast and our channel, please subscribe and get notified.
Honestly, it calls and texts all the time at 252-327-3357. So don't be shy. We're absolutely here to talk to you about all your selling needs.
Now, you took your real estate agent, you did the staging for your house, and you did the professional taken photos. Now the time that you put your house on the market.
Okay, so I would always recommend, if you are looking to put your house on the market and you want maximum effect, which is going to get you the fastest results, do not put your house on the market before those photos are there. It's very simple. We need to make sure that you are launching that house in a way to where it's commanding the highest command sentence. I would put I would make sure for my sellers that those pictures are online at least a day before to drive up in anticipation. And anticipation will drive people to say, hey, realtor, come take me to this house. So, I mean, you want to have those photographs there before you even open your door. And so it means that your house has to be there first. And I've seen so many people, and this is another common mistake we see all the time, and it's a really shame.
Exactly. Therefore, the whole point also is the curb appeal when you put your house online, and then how your house shows, which is not, it should be done during the staging and before you taking the photos. And there definitely web presentation that helps you to determine that people wanted to make an appointment, or they click on the next home that is available in market.
Right, so those pictures decide if they're going to swipe left or swipe right. So therefore, we want them to call the agent to bring them to your house so you can make a sale. So you want to make sure that your house was professionally staged when you took those photos, and you arrange the rooms in a best possible manner, and you would keep it the same way for optimal flow so people can walk room to room and feel airy and breezy and bright.
And another important thing is when you're putting your house on the market, part of it is really writing a good description. Therefore, ask from your realtor that really speak properly, describe properly your house, because that is one of the marketing points for selling a house. Ask them, do not just use the acronym using NP or something. Not everybody has that acronym in their mind and can read your mind.
Or just a list. Never a list, don't sell. You want to make it readable and enticing to say, those pictures are gorgeous. Now you're reading enticing. As an author myself, a USA Today bestselling author, I'm going to give myself my accolades. I can say that I read so many descriptions and I cringe because it could be so much better. And descriptions are the second thing that people are seeing as a first impression.
Exactly. And if you did really upgrade or updated something in your house recently or the past couple years, definitely put it in the description. That is also another marketing channel for you and your house.
So the description speaks to the buyers as well as good photography speaks to their visuals. So you want to make sure that this is on multi-channels, not just one place. Yeah,
exactly.
Also, give yourself as many showings as possible. So have these things ahead of time so people have the excitement, and the anticipation has grown, because excitement and anticipation are your number one keys to selling that home fast.
Exactly. And make sure when somebody wanted to come to see your house, you don't stay in your house, because it makes the buyer super nervous, and immediately they cannot see themselves in their house when you are present in your house and you wanted to sell your house.
Even virtually, to be honest, I've walked into houses as a buyer's agent, and then the seller's literally talking to us through the ring on the app. Don't do that, because honestly, you're now putting my buyers on guard, and they're less likely to make an offer because you have just put everybody on guard, because now you're talking through the ring app.
And the last point, open houses really helps you to bring pull of the buyers, and also faster sales and engagement and feedback, constant feedback with you to selling your house. Definitely, this is very engaging.
Can't wait to see you in the next video and podcast. And if you have any questions, 252-327-3357.
Talk to you soon.